To remove a microprocessor, remove the blade server cover. If an optional expansion unit is installed, remove the expansion unit. Locate the microprocessor to remove. Remove the heatsink. Loosen the screw on one side of the heatsink to break the seal with the microprocessor. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the heatsink, rotating each screw 2 full turns until each screw is loose. Use your fingers to gently pull the heatsink from the microprocessor. Open the microprocessor socket release levers and retainer. Note the first release lever to open and open it. Open the second release lever on the microprocessor socket. Open the microprocessor retainer. Install the microprocessor on the microprocessor installation tool. Twist the handle on the microprocessor tool counterclockwise so that it is in the open position. Align the installation tool with the alignment pins on the microprocessor socket and lower the tool onto the microprocessor. The installation tool rests flush on the socket only if aligned correctly. Twist the handle on the installation tool clockwise and lift the microprocessor out of the socket and set it aside.